Okay, today we are back again on OBAAPA'S channel, and today we are here to prepare okra stew. And guys, you can see our ingredients. We have chopped onion here, and we also have chopped tomatoes, and we have the mackerel pepper aside of it. These are our salmon, and let me put it in a simple form, like maybe our wires. And this is the fresh fish. We have the fresh fish here, and we also have the master of the game, crab, koto. That's what we call it down here, koto. And then we also have our palm oil. This is zomi and papayete zomi and kasa. And we also have our okro, our chopped okro, and we have our ayoyo. Yes, this okro stew, I'm going to add ayoyo. And we have our momone, our salted fish. We have momone here, and we have kahuro, and this is our amanen kete. This is our amanen kete, and we have cow meat here, ninchinam. This is our cow meat, and this is salted beef. Beef, I didn't actually. This is salted beef, and this is our salt. And these are the spices that we are going to use to steam our beef. And then, so guys, I'm coming to steam the what do you call it, ninchinam. Yeah, and I will add the kahuro because it's very hard, so I have to add it to the ninchinam and steam them together. So now I'm coming to add my spices and a little bit of, okay, now guys, I'm adding a little bit of water and then a little bit of salt just to get a perfect taste. And after that I will add my seasoning. Okay, now guys, I'm adding my season. This is beef season. I'm adding to it, and I'm adding my edible also. So any season at all that you want to add, you can add to it. So I'm also going to add the crab. Okay guys, let's cover it about 15 minutes. Okay guys, now we are going to blend our pepper and onion. I have added a little bit of garlic to it. Guys, I'm coming to check whether the beef, the meat, and then the kahuro, and then the koto is okay. Okay, the softness is okay. So now guys, I'm coming to add the fresh salmon. Okay, now guys, you can see that all the meats are already well cooked. So now we are coming to take it off and start with our okra. Okay, now guys, I'm starting with my okra. I'm coming to cook my okra. I'm coming to add 1 cup of water to it. You can add your kiln, but as for the kiln, it's not all that necessary here, so we won't add the kiln. We are leaving the okra on fire for 15 minutes. So after the 15 minutes, I will add my ayoyo. Guys, you can see our okra is now ready, so I'm coming to I'm coming to add my ayoyo. Okay, so guys, let's wait for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes you will come and check it again. So you can see the ayoyo and okra is now ready. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. Okay, now guys, we are starting with the stew. Now I'm putting my palm oil in the pan. I'm coming to add my fermented fish, which is called down here Momone. This is Momone. now guys, I'm adding my salted beef. Okay, now guys, I'm adding my onions. Okay, now guys, I'm coming to add my chopped tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I haven't added the pepper yet, but I will soon add the pepper. Okay guys, now I'm coming to add the pepper, onion, and a little bit of chopped tomato that I blend together. I'm now coming to add it. Okay, now I'm covering it for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes we come and check how the stew is going. Okay, now guys, you can see that the stew is coming out great. So now I'm coming to add my yam, the cow meat, the carro, and then the koto to the stew. Because of the season that I have on this thing, there is no need for me to add any spices to the stew again. Wow. Right back. Okay guys, now you can see the way the stew is coming out. The way you see someone more. Wow. So now we are adding the ham minced one, the salmon, and then all the flour inside. Now you can all see how the stew is going. Hey, in the stew way. The fresh fish, I haven't even added it yet. So I'm now coming to add my onion. The person Jane in the done. That is why I'm now adding some of the onion, the rest of the onion that I left. The owner of the food is going to be the woman. Cut off. Okay, now I'm coming to add the salmon. As for the salmon, they made it Tuna minimum because I don't want it to break into pieces. It's made it Tuna. I will stir it for long. Okay guys, now the stew is ready. So we are coming to add the okra. We are coming to add the okra. Yay! Now you can see our okra stew has come out. Really, really perfect. Yay! If you need a corner, me cameraman just have one minimum, so me man, yeah. The banku, stay tuned and wait for the banku. Okay, now guys, we are coming to eat the okra stew. This food here, just like what I said, when you're banking so papa, all was prepared by Auntie Gifty. So congratulations, Gifty, you have done well. It's me Pamocha. Always remember to subscribe. It's important to subscribe. Yeah. Okay. See you again on the next episode. Bye bye.